Good morning, guys. Today I am with a new video that will be very interesting because here is a PS3. The client said that he has already checked it from some technician, but he could not fix it. As you can see, that there is a tag, job tag, already checked. Now the fault I checked. I will show you that the fault is when I turn it on, it goes instantly off, and with 3 beeps. Beeps are very low. I'm sure that you can't hear it, but there are 3 beeps and instant off. Look at it again. 3 beeps and instant off. So there may be some fault, kind of short circuit, a component that has become short, or because power supply goes instantly off when a short circuit occurs. The south bridge gives a code from NAND to Syscon IC that what to do. The Syscon IC, when detects that the code has come that shows a short circuit, the Syscon will instantly turns off the power supply. Here is the same case. So we will check it, maybe some other fault, but I am sure that it has a short circuit. So we will do it and try to fix it. Hope you will enjoy my video, and please subscribe. We are going to open it and I will show you how can I solve this issue. Thank you.
When I checked the GPU's power supply chokes, the clock was not in order there, and on the second rail the clock was also not in order. But in CPU's power supply chokes, clock is available. On the second rail, clock is also available, and the GPU volts are not in order. And now the CPU volts are in order, yes. So the fault is around this GPU section, and now I am going to check for the power supply of GPU's RAM. The volts for GPU RAMs are not available. Check for the oscillation on the GPU's RAM's power supplies choke. The clock is also not in order there. And now checking the dual FET chip that amplifies the clock and gives this clock to the choke for the RAM supply. So the input volts for dual FET chip are not available, so I need to check the fuses that are on the back side of this board. This fuse, yes, 12 volt on one side and 12 volts available on the other side. This fuse is good. And now the GPU's fuse, 12 volts are available on one side and on the other side too. And the second fuse has no 12 volt but on the other side available. It means this fuse is blown up. I am marking this fuse. The fuse is blown up due to the high current and the high current is due to the short circuit. Short circuit maybe in short circuit the chip, the dual FET chip that produce negative and positive cycle for the choke is short. Yes, it is short and I am marking is 2. So first we need to replace this chip.
जी 7 मिनट का हो गया।
It takes a long time to meet the melting point. The solder melting point is about 250 degrees. I have applied the flux. And the reason for fuse blow up, it was the short circuit or overcurrent that was due to this chip. I'm going to replace it. After replacing this chip, we will see that either we are successful in detecting this fault. Hope will do. Yes, it is done. For a donor chip, I have a broken board that is with me for many years. I don't remember what the fault was in it, but we need this chip. I can get it from this board. We need to fix this chip in proper alignment. There is a key mark for every chip, so the key direction should be same as is marked on the board. Yes. Now we need to pull out the original fuse that is blown up. Succeeded. Now keeping in place of the original fuse, we need to melt properly the both ends of the fuse so that there could not be the issue of connectivity. Now I am checking for the fuses that are in good condition. Both fuses are in good condition, yes. And now I will check that either the shortage has been removed or not, but it could be possible with my multimeter. The component tester would not show it properly, so the shortage was in this chip and it is removed. Yes. Now connecting the volts, jacks and the power strip so that we can check it that either our fault is removed or not. If there is no more shortage in this motherboard, then the power green light should remain on. And it should not be turned off. Let's check it. Powering it on. Yes, it is now green. Oh, but it turns off again. It means there is some other fault, and we need to check this other fault. Okay, need to check supplies, and all the supplies are working fine. Okay. Welcome again, guys. I have to do a lot of job to fix this board. Earlier I have changed this chip and the fuse at the back side of this board, this one, so that we can fix all power supplies on this board. So I need to replace these token capacitors. You will replace 4 capacitors in place of 1. This one capacitor is valued 470 microfarad. So I replaced 2 token capacitors with 8 capacitors. Now we are hopeful that this PlayStation is now fixed. Let's check it. This is a 12-volt jack, and this one is standby volts jack, and inserting the power strip. And hard disk also inserted. HDMI cable inserted, and now let's get started. Yes, now it is keeping itself on. No instant off, no delay off, no 3 beeps, and yes, it is done.